YouTube.
We're gonna show you guys how to make healthy holiday pancakes.
Yeah.
Our favorite, we love pancakes.
Hop on my belly. Hop on my belly.
Are you excited for Santa to come? Have you been a good boy?
Sure.
You think so?
Sure.
Are you sharing your
Sure.
toys with everybody?
Yeah.
And you're not yelling at people?
Yeah. Well, last time I didn't though.
Yeah. But it's okay.
That's
If we say sorry, then Santa says, okay, I'll still give you presents.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how I make kefir protein pancakes, and the kids actually like them.
My belly is so full of water.
By the candlelight, 'cause here's the love.
Okay, so I got my little mixer here. I'm going to use it, put it upside down to make it easier to mix. I've got 2 cups of kefir. I've got 2 cups of blended up oatmeal. 1 scoop of protein powder. I love this isoline shake by Isogenics. Pumpkin spice. It's a seasonal flavor. And I usually put 2 scoops in here, but my little mixer thing is too small, I think, because I don't usually use this mixer thing for this particular recipe, but I didn't realize it was not going to be able to hold it all. So I put 4 eggs, then I'll put 4 eggs in.
Empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree.
Ow! Smashed my finger.
We should make gingerbread.
Oh yeah, let's make a gingerbread man.
Yeah, gingerbread man.
Okay.
Gingerbread.
Put a little bit of coconut oil on it first,
Yeah.
so that the pancakes don't stick, huh?
Yeah.
Let's get more.
Pancake won't stick.
Yeah. Let's make a gingerbread man.
Yeah. That's how a
Whoa.
gingerbread man looks.
I'm gonna try to make it. See if I can do it.
Yeah. You're making those legs first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the arms.
Yeah. That looks cool.
Thanks.
And now make his head
Okay.
all the way up.
All the way up.
And all the way up.
Nothing
And
can
then
stop
make his face.
Oh yeah, we gotta make his face. Oops.
What?
Messed up.
Yeah.
Whoopsies.
That's okay. But we're just making it right now.
Yeah, we're just making it right now. We made a gingerbread man.
Yeah.
And
But we didn't make his face.
yeah, we kind of messed up on his face, huh?
Yeah, you kind of messed up on his face.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at that. So perfect.
Haha.
I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay, I'm gonna eat a snowman one.
Okay.
Snowman one.
Okay.
Snowman.
Oh yeah, let's make a snowman one. But I wanna eat.
Snowman.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna eat snowman.
Put a couple little raspberries on.
Yeah, little raspberries.
You like raspberries? Let me make sure it tastes good. I'm gonna eat his arm.
Yeah. I have a broken arm. I don't know how to make snowmen.
Okay, I'll do it for you.
I don't know how to make snowmen. Whoa! I like that sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a funny sound.
Mm-hmm.
The city is covered in snow tonight.
Now that's his face,
That's the middle part, his body.
and this is his
That's
face.
his head.
Yeah, that's his head. Oops, it's gonna get more bigger though.
I messed up.
And then you have to make his buttons.
Yeah.
Buttons.
Till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight. 'Cause
Some.
Wait, put some knife right there too. Knife and
Yeah.
not spoon, but. Let's see what's up.
Ooh, yummy.
Hiya! Hiya!
Okay. Want me to cut it?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are sealed by the
Yes, my please. Those are right hands. Okay, hi, Kimberly.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi. And there's my hand.
Hey! You tricked them.